This is a story of a young girl named Kotonda.
And I'll be in my bedroom.
Oh, okay.
What is she doing here?
She's here to stay with us.
What? You mean you bring in somebody in our home without talking to me first?
So how did it go at the funeral? Boy, I can't hide this from you. I was really upset. What the man was concerned about was the property and the house and what was left. Yeah. Well, I brought the issue up and I took the girl.
I think you need to be careful. But ignore this issue. I think your wife does not want to have a child. A person. Let me ask you a question. Does it mean that the
It did actually one in the Aposa. Ero shiri fa no più fuori. Ufuile kundetele lyashira musango oyo. Ni oli omwana wadde oshire ku nganda. Ufuile asandondolele lyashira musango oyo. Idirine fie idirine. Nishtefa wikale na barabara. Ndefa wegelemo ku nganda kumobe muye muwikisha nganda.